When's the last time you changed the oil in your car or topped up the coolant? We need to maintain our cars to keep them running well. And if we don't, we could have a catastrophic failure. We don't want that, right? Same thing in our relationships. If we don't take care of them and give them the time, effort, and care that they require, we could have a catastrophic failure. If we couldn't maintain our cars, right, because we maybe didn't have the time or the resources or the tools, we would bring the car into the shop. Same thing with our relationships. Think of me as the shop for your relationships. I can help you take the steps to make sure that you're maintaining a healthy relationship.